Hello everyone, we're thrilled to have you back on our channel as we embark on an exciting journey into the art of mastering engaging conversations with women. Whether you're a seasoned conversationalist or just beginning your journey, these 12 invaluable tips are here to elevate your chat game to new heights. Number 1. Initiate with genuine interest. Embarking on a captivating dialogue starts with expressing authentic curiosity about her thoughts and experiences. This genuine interest serves as the bedrock for meaningful conversations, fostering a connection that goes beyond the surface. Number 2. Craft thoughtful compliments. Elevate your conversation by offering compliments that delve beyond the superficial. Acknowledge her accomplishments, celebrate her quirks, and appreciate her unique qualities, showcasing your sincere admiration and creating a positive atmosphere. Number 3. Active listening skills. The key to a truly riveting conversation lies in active listening. Absorb the details of what she shares, respond thoughtfully, and demonstrate your understanding. This not only strengthens the connection, but also encourages an open and honest dialogue. Number 4. Master the art of storytelling. Weave captivating narratives that invite her into the tapestry of your world. A well-told story has the power to captivate attention, spark intriguing discussions, and leave a lasting impression. Number 5. Humor, the universal connector. Infuse humor into your conversation, but with a delicate touch. A well-timed joke can break the ice, creating a light-hearted atmosphere that makes the interaction not just memorable but enjoyable. Number 6. Find common grounds. Identify shared interests and hobbies as a foundation for establishing common ground. Mutual passions provide a natural pathway for engaging conversations, fostering a sense of connection from the very beginning. Number 7. Incorporate open-ended questions. Foster depth by asking open-ended questions that encourage her to express herself more freely. This approach steers the conversation toward meaningful topics, creating a space for genuine exploration. Number 8. Express vulnerability. Share your authentic self, including vulnerabilities. This not only builds trust but also invites her to reciprocate, creating a genuine and deep connection that transcends surface-level interactions. Number 9. Be mindful of body language. Nonverbal cues speak volumes. Pay attention to her body language and respond accordingly, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable conversation that transcends words. Number 10. Maintain eye contact. Establish a connection through consistent eye contact. It conveys confidence and sincerity, enhancing the overall quality of your interaction and building a foundation of trust. Number 11. Pacing and timing matter. Gauge the pace of the conversation and be mindful of timing. A well-paced exchange keeps things dynamic and prevents monotony, ensuring that the interaction remains engaging and enjoyable. Number 12. Leave room for mystery. Resist the urge to lay all your cards on the table at once. Leaving a bit of mystery invites curiosity and anticipation, ensuring she stays intrigued and eager for the next chapter of the conversation. This element of surprise adds an extra layer of excitement to your interactions. Making conversations interesting with a girl is an art that combines genuine interest, effective communication, and a touch of humor. With these tips in your arsenal, you're well on your way to mastering this art and creating lasting connections. Until next time, happy conversing.